Hi students, I hope you're all doing fine. In the previous recorded session, I asked you to watch that animated story as well as I explained you a small paragraph. Isn't it? Do you remember? Have you all watched the video? Please respond it in WhatsApp telling that yes ma'am, we have watched the video, or else we have not understood, we have doubt, or else it was like something like that. Okay? In this class, we will continue The Boy Who Asked for More by Charles Dickens. In the previous recorded session, I told you that Oliver was born on a cold night in a poor house in the year 1837 in winter. It was very cold, dark, black night. Is that clear? Open your textbook, page number 60. There you can see Oliver's mother. When Oliver took birth, there were only two people, that is a doctor and a pauper woman. Let's pauper woman. Okay, now we shall look for second paragraph. The mother died almost as soon as the baby took his first breath. Like as soon as Oliver born, her mother died. जैसे ऑलिवर पैदा हुए उनकी माँ का देहांत हो गया, like उनकी माँ का इंतकाल हो गया. How was her mother? How was Oliver's mother? Oliver's mother was young, she was very young, she was good looking, but a poor woman. What is this young, good looking and poor in terms of grammar? This young, good looking and poor is adjective. What are adjectives? Adjectives is nothing but that describes the quality of a noun. For example, young. This is nothing but this is a quality of a person. I am a young person. It means it is describing for me that I am young. I am a human. I am a person. A person is nothing but a noun. Or I am long. I am short. I am black. I am fair. Because this quality is described for a person. And good looking. Good looking is also a quality that describes for a person. Poor is also another adjective. In terms of grammar, these are adjectives. Adjectives is nothing but that describes the quality of a noun. एक noun की खासियत को बताने को क्या बोलते हैं? Adjective. We call it adjective. ठीक है? How Oliver's mother was? Oliver's mother was young, good looking, a poor woman. Before coming into that poor house where she gave birth to Oliver, she has walked a long distance and she was so tired that her shoes were torn. It means that Oliver's mother had travelled a long distance by walk. By walk she has travelled from one place to another place. Because of that thing, her shoes had torn into pieces. उनके जूतों में there were holes, like उनके जूते खराब हो गए थे या फिर टूट गए थे. किसकी वजह से? She has covered a long distance by walk. When she was walking a long distance gives a lot of pain in the legs, as well as sometimes even the shoes or the slippers or the sandals get torn. Hence, her mother was so tired that she was so tired because as she was giving birth, she had exhausted her energy. As soon as she gave birth to Oliver, she died. And by looking at her physical appearances, we can tell that she was a good-looking, poor woman. It was clear that she had walked some distance before she died. Her shoes had been torn into pieces. Where she had come from or where she was going, nobody knew it. एक ऐसी मुसाफिर थी ओलिवर की मदर, ना उसका अता था ना उसका पता था. Where she was heading, she doesn't know that one. Where she was going, she doesn't know. Nobody in fact knew that where she was going. कहाँ जा रहे थे किसी को पता नहीं था. When she died, Oliver was a very small boy. Like, it was not even a boy, he was a small child. He was a natal. He cried and cried and cried. When babies take birth, they cry a lot because that time they want the warmth of a mother and a hug of a mother. But here, Oliver was an orphan. There was no father, now mother also died. He was crying a lot and lot and lot, that too very loudly. A small child who is just born is an orphan. His mother died. He was crying loudly and loudly. Now again, the one who assisted during the birth of Oliver, this pauper woman, she took Oliver to an orphanage, to an orphan. There lived Mr. Bumble. Mr. Bumble was very fat man, very arrogant, and also very authoritative in power. Only I should rule this orphanage. Nobody is superior to me. He was like that, very fat, very stingy, very strict fellow who starved children in the orphanage. बच्चों को ऑर्फनेज में इतना भूखा रखते थे कि बस थोड़ा सा खाना देते थे खाने के लिए. It was Mr. Bumble who gave the name Oliver Twist. Because he didn't think any name, just came into mind, and it was he who gave name to a small boy by name Oliver Twist. Mr. Bumble had full authority over the people of the poorhouse. Because he was the head of the poorhouse, that is an orphanage also, and he had a very authoritative power. He starved and ill-treated children under his care. When you look after a child, when a mother looks after a child, she cares him or she cares the children. She doesn't beat it so much. She doesn't. In fact, the love is unconditional of a mother. But now, Oliver is an orphan. He doesn't have anybody. Mr. Bumble is the head of the poorhouse where Oliver was living. And he was always ill-treated people. Ill-treated. गलत बर्ताव. जिनका behavior, where the behavior was very bad, he would starve. भूखा रखना. Where proper meal was not provided, proper food was not provided, sufficient food was not provided. The children would always starve it because they would given only a small amount of food or a rice, only just meager. Where Oliver was also undergoing Mr. Bumble's ill treatment and starvation. Not only Oliver, but also other children who were along with Oliver. Oliver's 9th birthday found him a pale, thin child who had already known a kind word or met with a kindly look. His only friend were his little companion in misery. But in the end, they brought him trouble. They persuaded him to ask for more. You know, children used to live along with other children. They would mingle it easily. But Oliver was also poor and other children was also poor who were living in that poorhouse. He had quite some friends or few friends. But at last, they also got him in trouble. जब आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ रहते हैं तो दोस्त अच्छाई और बुराई का यूजुअली ख्याल रखते हैं. बट इसके दोस्त पहले बेहतर थे, लेकिन अब they brought him trouble. They persuade. उकसाना, उकसाने को persuade बोलते हैं. They persuaded him to ask for more. ठीक है, we'll stop here. In this class, we got to know about Oliver's mother. She died as soon as she gave birth to Oliver, and then pauper woman took a small child to Mr. Bumble. There Mr. Bumble invented or gave the name as Oliver Twist to the small child. How was Mr. Bumble? Mr. Bumble was very arrogant, fat, authoritative person. Authoritative person, where he would ill-treat and starve children who were under his care. Oliver's 9th birthday was under Mr. Bumble. There, during that time, his friends brought him trouble because they persuaded him to ask for more food. This is the overall brief summary. And also we got to know adjectives. Adjectives is nothing but that describes the quality of a noun. For example, this scarf is pink in color. The word pink is nothing but adjective. This duster is white in color. The white, because duster is a noun, white describes the quality of a duster. Okay? That is, I have a long hair. The word long suggests that I have a long hair. It means long is an adjective that has to describe the quality of a noun. Now, one more thing we have to read. What is this? Woman, women. What is the difference between this word and this word? This woman is pronounced, this is singular firstly. एक औरत. This is plural. औरतें. ठीक है? औरत, औरतें. Main important, how will we pronounce this word? This is woman. Woman. कैसा pronounce करते हैं? Woman. U. See? Woman. Woman. This is women. We. वातल गट्टुवा, वादीर्घा, वागुरसु, we बोल को pronounce करते हैं. Woman. Woman, women. Tell me, woman, women. We see, we have E here. Even though we have W-O-M-A-N, W-O-M-E-N. Only the difference is here. But the pronunciation goes as woman, women. Okay? A proper woman. Poor woman. But both here, if you add it together, दो से एक से ज्यादा है बोले तो women, एक है बोले तो woman. ठीक है? Go through the page number 60 and 61 till they persuaded him to ask for more. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me in the WhatsApp itself. And today I'll be sending you an assignment. You have to do it and then send me by morning. Okay? Stay home, study well. Thank you.